Welcome friends in my new video where we are going to solve the question from question number 67 to 71. Question number 67. On 31st March 2019, after the closing of accounts, capital accounts of P, Q and R stood in the books of the firm at 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000 respectively. Subsequently, it was noticed that interest on capital at the rate 5% had been omitted. Profit for the year ending 31st March 2019 was 60,000 and partners' drawings had been P 10,000, Q 7,500, R 4,500. Profit sharing ratio of P, Q and R is 3:2:1. Give necessary adjustment entry. Now, closing capital is given to us. We have to find out the opening capital. So let us start question number 67. First, we are going to calculate opening capital of PQR. PQR. Calculation of opening capital. Particulars. Closing capital. The closing capital given is 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000 respectively. We have to add the drawings. Add drawings. That is 10,000, 7,500 and 4,500. 50,000, 37,500, 24,500 less sharing profits. Profit is given to us is 60,000, that is distributed in 3:2:1, that means 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. 3:2:1, 30, 20 and 10,000. So the opening capital is 20,000, 17,500 and 14,500. This is our opening capital. Now from that we are going to calculate interest on capital. So let us calculate. The rate is given 5%. So interest on capital will be 5% of that. 10% is 2,000. That means 1,000. 1750 means 875. 1450, 725. This is 725. This is the interest on capital 5%. Just what you have to do, for 10%, just remove 1 0, then it will be 10%. Half of that will be your 5%. Okay. Now let us calculate adjustment by preparing adjustment table. From statement showing past adjustment. Particular P, Q, R from debit credit, debit credit, debit credit, debit credit. Let us give interest on capital it is 1000, 875, 725, 1050, 25, 2600. Now we are going to close it. 2600, 2600. It should be distributed between the partners in the given ratio, that is loss, distributed 10, 3:2:1. So it will be 1300, then 6 2 are 24 to carry 20, 6 2 6 is 18, 433. So 867 and 433. Okay, I have rounded here. I have given Xmas here. So let us close. 1300, 1000, 867, 875, 433, 725. Excess is 300 here. The total excess is 8 here. The total excess will be 292. Is it okay? Now let us give the entry. Let us give the entry for the same. Date, particulars, laser following, debit rupees, general entries. The date will be 1st March 19, because in my book it is 2019. Please do write according to the question. Okay, the date according to the question. So P's capital account will be debited. To use capital account, to R's capital account. Amount 300, 8, 292 being adjustment entry box. Okay, now we move to next question. '68. ABC were partners. Their capital account A 30,000, B 20,000, and C 10,000 respectively. According to the partnership deed, they were entitled to an interest on capital and at 5% per annum. In addition, B was also entitled to drew a salary of 500 per month. C was entitled to a commission of 5% on the profits after charging the interest on capital, but before charging the salary payable to B. The net profit for the year were 30,000 distributed in the ratio of capitals without providing for any of the above adjustment. The profit were to be shared in the ratio of 5:3:2. Pass necessary adjustment entry showing the workings clearly. My dear students, if you see, there are two ratios. Ratio of capitals and the second one is 5:3:2. In such a case, I have already told you that you have to take the profits back. Whatever things you have given, take it back so that it will be easy for you. Same way as you are doing in P&L appropriation, do it here after taking all the things back. So first we are going to calculate the C's commission, because it is said C was entitled to a commission of 5% on the profit after charging the interest on capital, but before charging the salary payable to B. Okay, and as the date of capital is not given, it is not stated anywhere, so we are going to treat it as the capital is fixed. Okay, so let us solve the answer. Question number 68. Now I am going to prepare the statement of past adjustment and then I am going to solve it ABC. So there are three partners. Statement showing past adjustment particulars A, B, C from debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit. Take the profit back. Profit wrongly distributed in capitalization. That was 3:2:1. Now the profit was 30,000. So whenever you are going to take the profits back, it will be added in P&L appropriation. That means firm, and it will be debited to partners. So 6 5 is 30, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, and 5 on the 5. Total 30,000 profit we have taken back in the ratio 3:1. Now we are going to give interest on capital. Interest on capital, it is 5%, so it will be 1,500, 1,000 and 500, that is 3,000 total. Now it is said B was entitled to give a salary of 500 per, so B's salary will be 500 into 12, 6,000. It will be debited here, and now we are going to calculate C's commission. So C's commission, so 30,000 is the net profit, 3,000 we have given, 6,000 we have given both, and it is also said on the profit charging interest on capital, but before charging salary payable to B. Okay, sorry, it will not be taken into consideration because it is clearly stated before charging the salary payable to B. So just we are going to clear 3,000 and 5% of that. So it will be 27,000 into 5%, 1,350. Okay, so C's commission $1,350. Now we are going to close it. Thirty thousand, 30,000, 9, 10, 20, 50, 19, 650. It will be distributed in the ratio 5:3:2. 5:3:2. 10. So 38, 39, 130. 5895, and it will be 5, 2, 9825. Oh, sorry, it should be 9,825, 5895, 3930. Sorry. Total 15,000, 11,325, 10,000, 6, 7, 12, into 95, 5,000, 3, 4, 5, 400, 5, 7, 80. Okay. Now the difference amount we are going to find out. That will be 3,675. Here it will be 2,895, and here it will be 780. So let us pass the entry. Journal entry, date, particulars, license folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. The date will be the date given. The date is not given. I am going to take it as 1/4/20. Entry will be A's capital account debit, to B's capital account. Sorry, we have taken capital as fixed, so it will be current account. To C's current account. B adjustment entry passed. Amount is 3,675, 2,895, and 780. Please keep in mind, whenever here it is debited, it should be credited here. Question number 69. Manu and Shrishti are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Following information is of the firm as on 31st March 2019. Liabilities: Manu's capital, Shrishti's capital. Drawings are given in the asset side. That means drawings is not deducted from capital. This should be very clearly noted. If the drawings are shown in the balance sheet asset side, that means drawings are not deducted from the capital. So other assets are also given. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 was 5,000, which was divided in the agreed ratio, that is 3:2. But interest at the rate 5% per annum on capital and 6% per annum on drawings was inadequately omitted. Yani we have to give it. Adjust interest on drawings on an average basis for 6 months. Give the adjustment entry. Okay, let us start. We are going to find out the opening capital first, because the capital given is on 31st March 2019. Okay, so question number 69. Calculation of opening capital. Particulars: Manu, Srishti. Closing capital: 30,000, 10,000. We are not going to add drawings because it is stated in the asset side of the balance sheet. It should be very clearly noted. Okay. Now just we are going to deduct the sharing profit, because drawings were not taking. The profit was 5,000. That means 3,000, 2,000. Opening capital is 27,000 and 8,000. Now we are going to solve the past adjustment part. Prepare the table from 61. Particulars: Manu, Srishti, firm, debit credit, debit credit, debit credit. Statement showing past adjustment, interest on capital at the rate 5% it is said, and therefore we are going to give interest on capital 5%, that will be 1,350 and 4,400, that means 1,750. Interest on drawings we have to charge, so interest on drawings. Now it is said for 6 months, even though it is not stated, then also we are going to calculate for 6 months only, because the date of drawings is not given. So 4,000 into 6% for 6 months. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 120, and the drawing half, that means 60. total will be 180. No need to take the profits back because we have only single PSR. Is it okay? Now close 1750, 1750. So it will be 1570. Now we are going to distribute this in the given ratio. Loss distributed in 3:2. So 3:2 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20, 3 14, it will be 6, 6 28, 9 14, so 1 6 50, 88, 400, 288, it is also 288. Is it okay? Now we are going to pass the entry for the same. Date, particulars, laser folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. The date is 1/4/2019. The entry will be Manu's capital account debit. To Christie's capital account. Immediate B adjustment entry past. Now this is over. We move to question number 70. Question number 70. Mudit, Sudhir and Uday are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:1:1. Their fixed capitals are 4 lakh, 1 lakh 60 and 1 lakh 20,000 respectively. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2018 distributed among the partners was 1 lakh. Even it is distributed between the partners, it is sent to partners' current account and therefore it is not going to affect partners' fixed capital. Without taking into account the following adjustments. A. Interest on capital at the rate 2.5% per annum. B. Salary to Mudit 18,000 per annum and commission to Uday rupees 12,000. C. Mudit was allowed a commission of 6% of divisible profit after charging such commission. Pass a rectifying journal entry in the books of the firm show working clearly. It is very easy question actually. If you see, it is very easy. No need to find out the opening capital because capitals are fixed. It is already opening capital. Question number 70. One, two, three, four. Statement showing past adjustment particulars. Mudit Sudhir Uday from debit credit, debit credit, debit credit, and debit credit. Now let us start the question. Interest on capital is not given. We are going to give it. So interest on capital, that is 2.5%. So 40 is 10%, 20 will be 5%, and 10 will be 2.5%. So it will be 10,000. Then 16,000 will be 10%, 8,000 will be 5%, 4,000 will be 2.5. Then 12,000 will be 10%, 6,000 will be 5%, 3,000 will be 2.5%. So 17,000 will be calculated here. Then it is said Mudit's salary. Mudit is allowed a salary of 18,000. So 18,000 we are going to give it. Now partner's commission. Partner's commission. Mudit was allowed, Uday was allowed a commission of 12,000. It is directly given. Whereas Mudit was allowed a commission of 6%. Now, for that sake, we have to find out the divisible profit. So 1 lakh was the net profit. Out of that, 17,000 and 18,000 plus this 12,000 gone. So it remains 30, 70, 53, 35, 65, 53. So this is the profit. This is net profit before Mudit's commission. Or you can say divisible profit. Better you write here divisible profit. This is your divisible profit, on which we are going to calculate 6%. So 53,000 into 6 by 106, because it is after charging. 100 plus 6, 106. So we are going to calculate 3s are 53s are 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 53, 1s are. So it will be 3,000. So commission to Mudit 3,000. Total it is 15,000. Okay. Now we are going to close. These all items are our losses. Profit is already distributed. We have single ratio, that's why we have not taken the profit back. It is 35, 40, 50. 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. We are going to distribute this loss in the given ratio. Loss distributed in the ratio 3:1:2. 1, that is credit, then it will be like this: 30,000, 10,000, 10,000. So it is 30,000, 28, 31, 10,000, 4,000, 10,000, it is 15,000. So this difference will be 5,000, this will be 6,000, and this will be 1,000. Okay, now we are going to pass the entry for it. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. The date will be 1/4/2018. The entry will be Sudhir's current account debit, because capital is fixed, to Mudit's current account, to Uday's current account, being adjustment entry passed. The amount already we have 6,000 in the debit of Udit, Mudit 1,000, and this is 5,000. This is end of the question number 70. We move to question number 71. Question number 71. A, B, and C are partners in a firm. Net profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2019 is 30,000, which have been duly distributed among the partners in the agreed ratio 3:1:1. It is noticed on 10th April 2019 that under mentioned transactions were not passed through the books of account of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2019. Interest on capital at rate 6% per annum. The capitals of A, B, and C being 50,000, 40,000, and 30,000 respectively. As the date is not given, we are going to treat this capital as a opening capital. Okay. Interest on drawings: A 350, B 250, C 150. Partner salaries: A 5,000, B 7,500. Commission due to A for some special transaction 3,000. You are required to pass a journal entry which will not affect profit and loss account of the firm and rectify the position of the partners inter se. So let us start the question. Question number 71. Let us put the statement should pass at this point. ABC, A, B, C, firm, debit credit, debit credit, debit credit, debit credit, particulars, statement showing past adjustments. Now, first interest on capital, that is 2.6%, that is 6%. 6 5 is 33,000. 6 4 is 24, and 6 3 is 18. Total is 5 6, 7,200. Different drawings. That is 350, 250 and 150. Total 600, 750. Then it is a partner salary. A 5,000 and B 7,500. It should be very clear that you have to keep in mind whether which partner is getting the salaries. 12,500. Now, next one is commission to A. So, A is commission. Always keep in mind where you are writing 3,000. Total will be 3,000 only. Now, we are going to close it. 12, 15, 22, 22, 700. 22, 700. That means this will be 21, 950. 21, 950. Just close it. Loss distributed in 3:1:1. The ratio is 3:1:1. That is 3, 4, 5. 5 fours are 20. And then 1, 19, 5 3s are 15. 15, 4 remains. 9s are. So it is 4390. So here credit, then it will be debited 4390 here, 4390 here, and it will be 0. 1927 to carry 9, 1, 11, 1 carry 3, 4, 12, 13. Okay, then it will be 13,520. 13,520. This will be 5, 8, 11. This is 4,640. This is 7, 9, 9,900. This is 4,000. Again, 540. This is 1,800. Now we are going to compare. This will be 2520. This will be more. That means 60, 7729, 5260. This will be 3,000. Sorry, 740. 40, 15, 15, 7, 3, 2740. Now we are going to pass the entry for the same. Date, particulars, laser volume, debit rupees, credit rupees, journal entries. The date will be 1/4. Sorry, the date will be 10/4 because the mistake was found on 10. 2019. So we are going to write the entry. A is capital account debit. C is capital account debit. To B is capital account. To 520. 2,740 and it will be 5,260. B adjustment entry passed. Thank you for watching the video. Please, if you have any doubts, comment, and do remember that all the questions you try first and then watch the video for any your problems. Please try yourself. Thank you.